They won
We have
by
moved
8
along the
wickets. But this
coast
time
of
around,
India from
the
Visakhapatnam.
first one's
We have
out
moved
with the
over
bat.
to Thiruvananthapuram, a city that is playing capital to the state of Kerala. Rich culture, rich heritage, everything has welcomed India and Sri Lankan teams. Harmanpreet Kaur leading the series up against Chamariyatapattu for the match number 3, coming to you live from Greenfield International Stadium,
Having a hit
Thiruvananthapuram.
in the middle. And one can understand because gotten a hit so far.
Electric outfield so far.
Yes, I think
Are up and running.
most of the work
Want
like
to get
Richa Ghosh as well.
Shot. Can't get to it in time.
Trying to compensate, overdoing it. Right inside, it's a confident team. The face of the bat at the right time.
Clearly, I think they've come with
Clean of it.
Piece that Gunaratne has been opening, which ball
She has also played 5
Chamariyatapattu.
ODIs.
First 2 games, they got to do something different to take the head coach of the Sri Lankan.
Deep mid-wicket. 3 or you suppose.
maybe
Let's have a look at the Indian
Harmanpreet
side.
Kaur can come in.
Sri
Jama
Lanka,
Shafali
2
Verma.
boundaries already.
Who's a day in and day
Renuka.
out.
Off to a start here, WE and
And
Mithali.
it's a left-hander, and she can stay
Four
with
to the surface, isn't it?
Succeeded by doing that, coming from
just
round the
took the
wicket, and that one squatted a bit. She does all the way through. Thus, the first game she picked up a wicket off a.
Down the
You
field.
won't be too displeased if you're as a batter, you would relish the
The width was there, but the
short ball will
She
of the Sri
manages
Lankan
to
batters.
keep her confidence.
Absolutely
Right from the-
exquisite from
they look to make good
straighter.
contact. It's all problem whatsoever. The ball
the
just
third game. The previous game, she was. We
Just
were
too
talking
shy
about
of
Kavisha. Had a good
150.
make an
offering a
impact
bit of
here.
width.
She's got off the start. It's a poor delivery, really. Shot.
Square leg region.
Looking to do something. Fantastic opportunity for
I think Sri
Shafali
Lankans
Verma.
are pretty. Deepti Sharma, the second ball with more
Overdone
runs.
10 coming off
last-
in after
See the Sri
comes
Lankan
out.
side. It's good tactics from the.
WE, me, Mithali, and previous times.
She
and when
is doing that. Deepti
Nine.
Sharma, what obviously Arman does on a regular basis.
Smriti Mandana is off.
Mithali-
Smriti
Well, I think
Mandana
she's not waiting for the
to try
second
and
game.
bowl a fuller length. They've been providing a
Unmade with
lot of
grace.
opportunities to the.
Aren't you
Since-
running with
She corrected innings in a T20 format, 19 of 17.
Best start for
I
Sri
should think
Lanka in
similar. Boundary.
Played as well. We've seen her
20 internationals.
find the ball.
It's
Also
been
the fact
informed the
that, you know,
player
when she
who's
wants to get those singles and twos.
Curb your
we love
instincts.
facts.
Down the
Will
trail.
present
This is a brisk.
Serious challenge for Harmanpreet Kaur.
To be fair, she's got the ball for Harmanpreet Kaur loves Shafali Verma in her own list of the captains, Mithali. Sri Lanka, this is looking
Pushed.
like a great match. Shafali Verma has put that ball.
That sounded so good.
Already a better start
And
for
first
Sri Lanka.
innings,
What have you made?
But
very
Shafali Verma
boundary
is up to the
drive as well. She has that
And
high
it's
back
the
lift.
skipper. Say a long time. That's one
We'll
of the
just
reasons.
keep showing you those numbers.
She's watching the ball really nicely there. Harmanpreet Kaur.
And some off-the-shelf skills.
49 without.
And she's her in.
The reason why I
Harshita.
said contest within a
And she's off the mark.
It's the
With a couple.
T20 World Cup next year.
Runs and a wicket. 27 for one Sri Lanka.
As well
Yeah.
today, since they're ball brilliantly in
green
the first 3 games. We need to see how many runs they can put on the board.
Off
Verma in
the
India.
fielder.
Again from
dropped the
Renuka. Slashed it a little too far. Predetermining anything. Well, expected.
Wonderful from
When the
Shafali.
ball
Exactly
is
what we
going
were
towards
talking
him,
about.
that
Decision
despite of
getting
doing
that
well in
right
this, the
foot
bench
forward,
strength
length
of
today.
India so has to make way for Deepti Sharma.
In the air. So
Brilliant
Renuka
over.
Singh Thakur brought back Pereira. So double blow for
Nimasha Mipage
Works match.
overs for India. And this is one of the reasons.
in this lineup today. Today's game.
Gunaratne.
Very early in her T20. The must-win game for them. Getting past 25, 27 runs on that. But absolutely can bowl.
Created
Kind
off
of
the
turn that
surface.
the Indian spinners
In the
have been
air, she's a
so far.
wicket taker.
Haven't been able to.
And she's Samara Vikrama. So
Tossed it up, slowed it down. That is well
combining well together for
What
Renuka.
in the over
Congratulations.
from Renuka. Power play done.
Atapattu, Kavisha, all of them.
Because there was definitely
Akshika, and that is, I think, something that's had
cricket. They both
64 without loss.
as well. 38 minutes, 11
Unbelievable.
do they play up hits.
The Indian
After that start,
is what is made
compared to the
more
other
difficult
deliveries,
is where
34
the
for 3.
over the covers,
Fire.
over the mid-off.
they're
It's so much hit.
The kind of delivery.
Jimmy a touch slow.
Please, Veda and Shivani to approach as a batter.
And when you look at Sneharana, a better backside when you compare them to
the back foot, and that's made a big difference.
Roll into the mix, play in every game, and they rotate them out
And
just
it's
like they're
slightly
looking
tossed.
to build that bench strength. And
So it's also
Loss.
about having
And over.
positions, keeping her as a backup, just in where actually
In the
India
first
have
3
done
games, it was a case of
Wonderful figures, great
openers of such quality.
good work by Jemima. Just two
Yes, I think when ability to error in
Change it.
your being more guilty of bowling
Good
too
evening, Shabani. Sri Lanka getting wickets within is the that power play. Their
as
Peras,
well, there's no doubt. Spinners and the Indian spinners
seal the series.
4.5 Sri Lanka 5-meter mark. He's been so quick. Is there a
to
tickle?
change the side. Renuka would have been a bit rusty.
And she does find the boundaries.
Back for a second.
Priti Mandana.
Quick work from Amanjot Zen.
Can I have the side
75 without
I'm satisfied.
the scoreboard ticking tonight.
Extra effort from Amanjot Kaur. Never gives up, always backs herself.
They have the bench strength.
Another
You have
boundary by Shafali. Without any mercy by these openers.
In that context,
It is the
today's
leg
game
spinner.
is very.
into
And that
position.
would mean it
56%
same
in
time, I
control
did
of a
bowlers
shot.
around.
Mithali,
over.
you touch 9.
Knows
Sri
where
Lanka
the field set is. Pierces it
More beneficial
to any
in
stroke.
the England.
After she's made a comeback, she's got runs.
Well,
Her, what kind of field is being
Not
set?
exactly where she intended, but at it.
Well, picks up a single and retain. Not disappointed then.
And with
They've
no
got a good
seeing Thakur under pressure is a major coming up as well. The Tata WPL 2010
Sort
in
of
Navi Mumbai.
200.
that ball.
Big
And what about you both?
you still Rija Ghosh.
TV umpire to direct them.
And that
On cue said that. She's like, here you go. Here's the
As a captain, you
It's for 4 relax.
we'll have to wait for the signal here.
As Kavisha Dilawri makes her way, she convert this
Turning
opportunity.
it on here.
World Cup is 4 off the bat for Shafali.
They need to
I
work a
promise
lot
you,
on
if you
skill
don't have a
development
challenge,
and that's when they'll probably. There's something which is possible time in the middle in international cricket.
Rashmi Clay towards the boundary. Was
Comes to an end at the halfway
Led
stage. Sri
by
Lanka
Sig-
pulling down leg side. Look,
Onside.
looked like she took the catch.
The idea is to drop-
105 up to
For a
16
moment,
between these.
of a hand covered the ground.
It was in a hand. She will find the boundary.
having that full toss in
Showing
position.
that she got the
good in their basic functioning.
she
Cutter from Rashmika T20. He's just building on that confidence.
Was over the top. No fielder in the deep there.
The fielder was brought inside the circle. She went up, not hesitating once she committed to the case of risk
International half
reward.
century for innings and then a trio of boundaries.
we picked up.
Going on to hit
Century.
the stop. 11 gone, 52
India
for
has
4.
got their 2 openers, and this will not be a very pleasing sight.
and pray. Pulverize the Sri
Losing
Lankan.
their shape.
Yeah, adding to what Mithali Raj is.
Shefali Verma is in
You look
that's
to play powerful shots by the price for it more often
in
than
such a
not.
convincing manner.
Strength you possess. It's all about
Able to play down the ground, maybe more the stump line.
Say,
More often if they could
That's the strength that she's
especially when
added
the
up
bowlers are
shot
target.
down the ground, especially off.
They've clogged these two
Looks to
batters.
leg side, will
That's
just
it.
be a
I don't
single.
think she has found any
Awareness, her
answers,
game
but
awareness.
they've been unstoppable.
Another even crisper.
On 3-8
From
without loss.
Kavisha
Should
Dilawri
be
finds a boundary.
70 runs. He was lagging
Just
behind
look at
slightly. She's made a nice shot. She kept
Quite a
inside
nice combination.
Anthony of Imisha.
And then
Both of them in
clear.
partnership. Either a boundary have been going, especially in the last couple of.
But Kranti
One comes
moves
back
away. Get that gap between covers and covers.
And that's why they're
Coming into it, need something big from these two.
all the way, Karthik.
Need to kickstart everything. It's only the beginning. You've seen. I actually thrown in the towel.
The second,
And got-
Smriti Mandana gets to the ball in.
Dot ball to finish off the
First over,
14.
Vaishnavi Sharma there. Contender for the
Assuming
Apollo
it's a lot
Tyres. Go
quicker.
the distance.
Waited on it. Vaishnavi Sharma, the fielder that smashed that. Shefali
But they
Verma.
can't be going at a rate
Gowden
cricket.
try to. She wants to
and
go
tugged all
short.
the way for 6.
Excellent shot. That's a great point.
Was behind her. Yes,
Kranti
she was
Gaur.
enjoying
Dot
each other's
to
company.
fit. They started just
with their
lived in
aggression,
that
especially in
glory
the first-
moment. Champions in the 50-over format
Deepti-
now, but and that's why very good start for India. 158.
But how Harman has rotated her to the attack. She wants to pick up
Yet
wicket.
again, Shefali with the over for the boundary.
Where do
Quality
you bowl
shot.
to her?
Tossed
Shefali.
up, used her feet.
And she is
like that.
Last one was tossed
Shefali
outside
Verma
the off
tried-
towards the leg side. Thinking
Single.
that.
And with
And in
the
the
walk,
pro-
the Fali goes
from
for
Kavisha.
79. India 100.
Spinner Best who can partnership for India bowl in all leg batter. That is just proving good
And I
for
think it's a
Sri
good.
She
Pointed
was
that
targeting.
couldn't capitalize. And then decided that she's going to
Salak
let this
Jonkar,
straight down
who
the
does
ground.
T20 international wicket.
The
Isha
way she goes
continuing
about
to
it.
attack. This time,
Very early
Ramanjot
to call for
Kaur
that.
is not going to this partnership, and Deepti Sharma has put 20 is Sri Lanka 85 for 5.
150.
The way she handles herself, the way she
And the left-hander, Mandana has to
Because there's no protection out in the deep.
150 international wickets at what,
Final
15th over.
120 at this
Reacher
current
Gaur hitting on the left-arm spinner, clearing the...
Has operated.
And the huge
Renuka Singh
swing.
The wicket
heads it
straight away.
for another
Here, Renuka Thakur changing the held a little bit there, stepping out.
leg
Delhi's
slide, airing in line.
Jemmy's
Good work
over.
around the stumps.
quite little not
And
to. As a
Evening,
drop
good
chance,
crowd
W.
coming in.
She did that, and she's...
It is a maximum. Beautifully bowled.
It was on the minute pitch right out. She's not there. She's missed. She dismissed for quiet.
Will yield you a lot more results.
That bowler. The
Earlier,
ground.
the
To
bowlers have
maximum.
Fairly big here at Thiruvananthapuram.
brilliant shot there by Kaushini.
Going down on
75
one knee.
meters.
That was a pre-to
Originally.
And she picked the spot.
Yet again. Ends
Current
up the
strike
penultimate
for
over
the
of
next
innings.
over.
Wants to stay on strike,
Shabani.
Kaushini.
Excited.
Definitely not gone the way
Field looking to go across. Away from Jimmy Marad.
quickly. Except for varying the
There are
speeds.
faces where
Renuka
Knocking in. There goes the distance as well.
Well, she's shot.
Over mid-off and finds a margin of error so far.
and she's picked the right areas for 6 in this innings.
Two fours.
Out in the deep.
Leadership comes up.
Should
Just
once again
24
be
balls.
pleased with the way they have won Thakur 4 for
Well, not
21.
done.
And
Made by India for the loss of just 2 wickets.
and 11 runs.
Striking in excess.
What a performance they put up with them.
Evening
Highest
Karthik.
run. Good evening to everyone.
AD Shefali once again.
Pace is something that
One of the senior Mithali was used to
at
for
the
a very
initial
long
part of the
Batter in the context of this batting series,
last game.
Chamari
Looks like
Atapattu.
she has learned from her mistake.
if not more. Down the ground, the ball goes. The third T20 out.
to get the ball, swing it enough time, quick in
One
reading
slip
that
is there.
length.
First game of the series went for 12.
Effect is
Interesting how they use her as onside on this
as
occasion.
well. She
Just
was the aggressor in the.
This is what you require from these batters. From
This is wonderful batting. This is a good start.
the
Just
line a little
when
more
you-
away from
In it.
third and the point.
Yeah, you said something about taking down the wicket. Smart batting from
He comes back.
This
Missed
was
the
the
last
last
game
boundary
that she's
of
bowled.
that ring in the offside.
Two. And she knows
Bowled to
exactly.
the new ball.
At 8th for India behind you and
She's
Harman. I'm surprised.
She is in.
Just that previous
She's just not found her areas that this Indian team worst ever World Cup.
Because when the bowlers are just... There's a lot of field change. He's on the Indian
The
bowlers.
debutant,
Arundhati on this
they
occasion.
don't have
So
a
pace
left
from the
arm seam
skipper
bowler.
and then the Nows and
Runs.
Kraft.
Didn't get a game in. She's come back.
The skipper saw the first. From the end,
We've
from where
spoken so
Renuka
long of.
operated.
Is the fact that India wants to have
The long on comes in.
an option of Harmanpreet Kaur has thrown the new ball to Arun, who actually operates with the new ball. That's exactly what a strong defend. That's why another Smriti Mandana.
Bowlers with the
For her
comfort on and
work
after
with
Renuka
short
bowls, but doesn't
still
feel
in
the
this
pain. Look, both of
partnership
them
of
have gone for
27.
runs.
She's given it.
Who is gonna-
DRS open. There is a question apart from Kranti Kaur. Do you have
Enough runs.
But she'll
Gayatri,
just
you
be
can
a
stay
mere
with your
spectator. Shot. Gayatri
First,
Venugopal
6
on wicket.
because
27
he's got
for
her
one.
twice with the shot.
Second
time.
team as well. Pick for. It's one talent up against us. The bowler who
Do
is
they go for I have a review for leg before given.
in the ICC 50 over world
But can I confirm it with Ultrage?
and get punished. That's
Next
as
frame.
bad for Sri
Last
Lanka.
frame.
That was what the cap. Bat
For
of
one
Hasani
in
Pereira.
that
First over.
Of 96 balls to win this game. And it's not
Down
come
the-
off. Alongside
This is-
me. Veda and Shafa.
Misjudgment from
Absolute
Kavisha Dilawri.
opportunity.
In T20,
Back-to-back boundaries.
Dropping shot.
Sri Lanka
She
to
was
play
on
in
space
105
around
of
that
the game.
area.
And Renuka Singh Thakur.
Spinner. And terrific.
Galloping start for Sri Lanka. Converting it into a full toss. Through the
All
batter,
coming
through the
together.
keeper, 4 more.
This is a serious reply
You
from
can't stop Shefali in delivery. She bowled there by Deepti Sharma.
leading the charge here.
To Sri Lanka to get back and access that off. A good reply from Deepti
Tight over. Impressive from Deepti.
from the physio there for Sri Lanka.
Games there, I felt the Sri Lankans would
And
have
a
felt
free hit.
chasing a target, batting when the Sri Lankan batting
There
went
is a
up.
field route in the deep.
3 fielders.
The ball
WB.
completely. Shafari
20.
batted first.
Into the gap.
Doesn't time it well enough already today. Start. This one takes the fascinating and then just unleashes.
Is going to make any mistake out
Additional
there.
lock from her.
Brilliant 33.
Previous game, not to
Congratulations.
27. With
Arundhati already
Fali
gets away
Verma
with it.
complete a 50 in the
a single.
In the previous
allows
game, she was unbeaten. It's been
a bit
great
lucky
watching
to get
her,
away with the
Shafali
neck and neck in terms of runs.
on this occasion.
as well.
In scoring runs at a fair clip.
Go across there. Patapatu.
Meters.
Fielder. The old
Jamima looking
ball.
really well, does Jamima. The sweep.
Debutant Nimesha
Pass
in
the
the
one.
deep.
Have to bowl again.
Confirmation from the
This has been runs to be
access
closer to
the
that
gaps
target.
on the offside.
The most of them.
Coming underneath it.
Just be the single.
Looking to
Well,
Kavisha Dilawri this time around. And finally, Mima goes for 9. India 66.
the problem.
into these against the slower bowlers.
Trying
Just
to push
seemed
for
a
that
bit
second
enough.
for the fielder.
Harmanpreet Kaur.
and finds a boundary.
Everything was right about that and picking the cap perfection.
In the first stop,
74 for 1.
and tugs it to the onside foot.
Released. But shot.
That's deposited long way. Patu against Amanjot Kaur. Kavisha. had the
First.
good- It's got enough legs on it.
She didn't really use her footwork playing most part of it.
You find that out.
The single. I was a bit surprised with so much
She just latched on to.
Build on the start that
Is
she
punished,
gets,
irrespective who the bowler is.
and if she plays the
Of
way she
Chamari.
has.
And just to add to that, Mithali, I think the manner in which the straighter you and effective
Over.
too.
First fine.
Back into the. Should be a couple of runs. And Kavisha Dilhari of 40. Headed to the boundary. That's exactly what the eye. Pali Verma has got another ball is punished
which is
yet
one
again by the
less
95
inside.
for 1 at the end of
And
10.
she's picked them.
There in the thick of things
Shefali Verma surpasses
after the
Mithali.
drinks break.
In terms of player of the match,
They're
we will
about-
decide on that.
Or they're on 9 with the key wicket.
Played in the backyard for Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka in the 19th over.
The distance.
Richa Ghosh.
Get through the offside.
What placement?
Pitched up.
The distance is also very good.
I think the extra pace from
101
Sri
for
Charani
two.
that pace. So she's mistimed the of the surface
4 to start
on
the
the on. But like says
Definitely.
it, yes, finally. So Chamari Attapattu's vigil.
boundary this time.
And gets that. Smriti Mandhana making no mistake yet
the
again that
composure
she's
going.
ready for this big.
I'm just thinking of the previous
162.
Shefali.
Years
And
in
Amanjot
international cricket.
can't get to it.
From the Sri Lankan batters. Coupled
she
with
eases
singles
away.
and twos.
When you are very young,
The
how
kind
many
of
years ago?
feel when Chamar.
A lot of domestic.
Finishing touches. She finishes with one. Yep, finishing it off in three to
So
seal
what's the
a
second?
season. And
She's definitely.
the fielder was at the ball
They
for
started
that,
out.
coming off it after 14-100. And lucky runs, they will take them. Imesha.
Required way of playing. Whichever form the Harshita was one of the architects.
Amanjot, they take a chance. She is so accurate.
It's been brilliant, Amanjot, in the boundary line.
Lanka. And rewarding for Vaishnavi Sharma.
Bowler trifled slower, a bit wider. Ashita gone.
What a lovely shot. But just 10. If she can't get it, it'll be a of batting. There's decision made of the park. Targeted the longer part of the boundary.
Nilakshika, she realizes her strength is in.
Very well, in fact. And Amalini, who herself has held on to that cap. Kavisha will make the ball. Drops a catch. Is not pleased at all. Love. This is good batting from the dugout. Completely by Rashmika.
Ball read the seam. That's pick up a wicket here, and that's the end.
That's the kind of potential the Sri Lankan batter in match number 4.
Going for boundaries, although it's bored as possible.
Realizing that the bat.
Reached the target set by India, 220.
Yeah, you're spot on, Anjum. Spirit chased in earnest, and they got to one in terms of the number of runs.
Like Keith there could not overhaul the target.